Welcome to today's Python tutorial. We are diving into a simple yet commonly misunderstood line of code and exploring what it really does. But before we dive in, let's address something that can enhance your coding experience, increasing the font size in Visual Studio Code. Stay tuned and let's clear up some common misconceptions about Python. Before we begin coding, let me show you a quick tip on how to increase the font size in Visual Studio Code. This is especially useful when presenting code or working on a large screen. To change the font size on VS Code, click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner of VS Code. From the menu, select Command Palette. Alternatively, you can directly open the Command Palette by using the shortcut Command plus Shift plus P on Mac, Control plus Shift plus P on Windows. Once the Command Palette is open, type font size here. You will be able to see Increase Editor Font Size, Decrease and Reset Editor Font Size. Click on Increase Editor Font Size. This will increase the font size by 1 unit. To make this process even better, you can customize your key bindings for quick font size adjustments. Let me show you how. First, click on the gear icon to open the Command Palette. Then search for Increase Font Size or Decrease Font Size. Select the settings for either option by clicking on the gear icon next to it. Once in the settings, click on the pencil icon to assign a key binding. For example, I am assigning Shift minus for decreasing the font size. Press Enter to save the key binding. Finally, go to the file and press Shift minus to decrease the font size. You can follow the same steps to assign a shortcut for increasing the font size with your preferred key combination. Now that we are set with the comfortable font size, let's dive into today's topic, understanding the behavior of a simple yet deceptive Python code snippet. Here is the code a equal to print hello world. What do you think it does? Will it cause an error or will the variable a contain the value hello world? Let's break it down step by step. First, let's understand the print function in Python. It's used to display the information to the standard output device, typically our screen here. But here is the key question. What does print function return? Contrary to what some might assume, the print function doesn't return the string it displays. Instead, it returns a special value called none. None in Python represents the absence of a value or a null value. Now let's apply this understanding. When we write a equal to print hello world, the print function does two things. It displays hello world on the screen and it returns none. This none is then assigned to the variable a. Let's verify this by running the code. Click on the play button in the top right corner to execute it. When we run a equal to print hello world, it displays hello world as output and assigns none to a. To confirm it, let's print the value of a. Run the code again and see. It outputs none, indicating that a holds the return value of print function, not the string itself. To recap, functions in Python always return a value. If a function doesn't have an explicit return statement, it defaults to returning none. Keeping this in mind will help you debug and write more effective Python code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more Python tutorials. Got questions or want to see more concepts explained? Drop a comment below. We will address them in upcoming videos. See you next time. Signing off.